Think you know how extreme our universe can get? You have absolutely no idea. Welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into 5 terrifying scientific realities that prove everything you think you know about space, time, and matter is a complete illusion. First up, let us talk about the most extreme temperatures imaginable. Think your summer is hot? The hottest place in the known universe isn't a star or a volcano. It was actually created by humans inside a high-tech lab in Europe. Scientists smashed subatomic particles together and managed to hit over 9.9 trillion degrees Fahrenheit. That is an insane 250,000 times hotter than the very center of our sun. But the universe also gets terrifyingly cold on the opposite end of the spectrum. The Boomerang Nebula is the coldest natural place ever discovered in deep space, sitting at a freezing -458 degrees Fahrenheit. That is just one single degree above absolute zero, the exact point where atoms completely freeze, lose all energy, and stop moving entirely. If you think temperature is wild, wait until you hear how the universe warps time itself. If you were to travel into deep space and spend just one single hour floating near a supermassive black hole, everyone you have ever known or loved back home on Earth would already be dead and buried. This sounds like a cheap Hollywood movie trick, but it is a concrete law of physics known as gravitational time dilation. Albert Einstein proved that massive objects with intense gravity literally bend and stretch the physical fabric of space and time. The closer you get to a cosmic giant like a black hole, the slower your physical clock ticks compared to the rest of the universe. While 60 completely normal minutes pass for you, centuries are flying by back home on Earth in fast forward. If you could take a spaceship to the edge of a black hole, would you leave everyone behind just to see the distant future? Speaking of cosmic giants, let us look at the absolute monsters lurking in the dark corners of space. Think our sun is the biggest thing out there. Our sun is actually a microscopic speck compared to the real heavyweights of the universe. The largest single object ever discovered by astronomers is a hyperluminous black hole called TUN 618. Our sun is so incredibly massive that you could comfortably fit over 1 million Earths inside it. But TUN 618 has the mind-boggling mass of 66 billion suns combined. If you were to drop this cosmic beast into the center of our solar system, its gravitational pull would swallow every single planet we know of instantly, wiping out our cosmic neighborhood in a fraction of a second. The universe is full of these terrifying giants that make our entire human existence look like absolutely nothing. But you do not have to look into deep space to find mind-bending science, because reality glitches right inside your own home. Have you ever walked into the kitchen with a clear purpose, only to stop dead in your tracks and completely forget why you went there? Do not worry, you are not losing your memory, and your brain is actually doing this on purpose. Psychologists call this phenomenon the doorway effect, and it is a real evolutionary trait. Scientists discovered that walking through a physical door frame acts as an event boundary in your mind. Your brain treats the new room like a completely separate chapter of your day, so it instantly archives your old thoughts to clear out fresh mental space for your new surroundings. It essentially hits a massive reset button on your short-term memory the very second you cross the threshold, clearing the slate completely. Finally, let us look at the ultimate glitch in physics that proves reality might just be a giant video game simulation. Matter completely changes its rules just because a human being decides to look at it. In one of the most famous physics tests of all time, called the double-slit experiment, scientists shot tiny particles of light through 2 small slits onto a wall. When no human or camera was watching the experiment, the particles acted like liquid waves, creating a striped pattern on the wall. But the exact moment scientists set up a camera to observe the particles passing through, the light instantly switched its behavior and acted like solid little bullets instead. Reality literally rewrites its own coding and programming the exact second an observer steps into the room. Do you believe that nothing truly exists until we look at it? Drop a comment below with your thoughts, hit that like button to support the channel, And make sure to subscribe for more mind-blowing science content every single day.